Okay, go. Come get your shoes. Come get your shoes. Come on, Becca. Get your shoes. Come on. Get your shoes. Who cares? Just get your shoes. He's gonna look. Come on. Just run and snatch and run. She probably already saw it.
Oh, a pin came out.
A pin came out. You pinned that skirt?
Yeah.
Come on, Becca.
Hold on, I'm putting my skirt.
Hurry up. Who cares if he's there? No! Come on! Okay, let's pretend you're a robber, okay? Go on your stomach and crawl to the shoes. What, do you want to switch skirts? Get your butt over here. Now crawl back. No, she already saw it.